In this tutorial, we will see that how you can cancel a vidIQ subscription in just few steps. So let's dive in. So we are in Google. Firstly, you have to search for vidIQ. Open its official website, vidIQ.com. Then you have to sign into your account. After signing in, it will open dashboard like this. Now to cancel subscription, on the left top side, you will find your profile picture. You have to click on that and here open this settings. Then you will be on this my account section. Here you will see some of your details. You have to click on this manage plan, and here if you scroll down, you will find here this manage subscription and your current plan. Now to cancel this subscription, simply click on this cancel plan. Here it will show you this. Are you sure you want to cancel? You will lose these pro features. If you want to cancel, simply click on continue to cancellation. Here you have to give any reason for cancellation and click on continue to cancellation. Then you will find this notification cancellation scheduled. You can still use all pro features until this date that will show on your account. Click on OK. Now if you refresh it, you will not see any option of subscription here. So that's how you can cancel a vidIQ subscription in just few steps.